want to say that I will be speaking in different language. Different in the sense, like, of course, little bit of English. I'm not good in any of the language. I mean, like, I can just communicate with them, like basic communication, that's it. So I might sometimes speak in English, a little bit of English, a little bit of Hindi, a little bit of Manipuri, because if I speak only in English and Hindi, my mom and my dad, who really watch my video every day, will not understand whatever I'm speaking. So I have to speak in Manipuri so that they can understand, and Hindi and English, because for those people who doesn't know Manipuri, they will somehow, if I speak a little bit of Hindi, English, they will somehow catch some word and they'll be like, okay, she's saying this, she's saying that. I am not used to, I don't know how to put subtitles so far. I'm so new. I don't know, I'm just trying to make video so that I can just show my parents that this is how I'm living here alone. I'm thinking of preparing our Manipuri traditional dish, which is bamboo shoot Eromba, which is kind of a chutney that you say, chutney whatever, but yeah, that I love. I have some bamboo shoot with me, which I got it when I went to home. Let's see. क्या कर रहे हो मैं? Okay, thank you camera. This camera is very good. मुझे ना हेल्प करता है इधर उधर फोकस करने में. अगर नीचे झुक गया तो भी नीचे झुकेगा, मैं ऊपर आया तो ऊपर आएगा. बहुत अच्छा है. मैं इधर चला गया तो इधर आएगा, इधर चला. Thank you camera. Here I do want to make potato, chilies, ngari ले रहे. Bamboo shoot. I need to bend down again. Camera, focus on me. I need to bend down. Focus. Yeah. I love you.